Action.
Ready?
Hi, and welcome to our behind-the-scenes takeover
of the District Video Studio. I'm Claire.
And I'm Madeline. Today, we are learning how a studio works.
And we're also talking about
something super important:
water.
Florida is known for beaches, springs, and big storms.
But even though we see water everywhere, clean drinking water isn't unlimited. Right. We're surrounded by water.
But not all of it is safe to drink. And with more people moving to Florida every year, we're using more and more of it.
That's why it is up to us to use water wisely.
So there's enough for everyone, now and in the future.
The good news? Small changes can make a big difference.
Like turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth. That saves a lot of water every day.
Or taking shorter showers.
You don't need to rush it, but maybe skip the 20-minute sing-alongs.
And if your home has sprinklers, remind your family to check for leaks.
And it's best to water early in the morning or late at night so less water dries up in the heat.
And if you help with the yard, planting Florida-friendly plants is a great idea. They don't need much water to grow.
Saving water doesn't mean you can't be comfortable. It just means thinking before wasting it.
So whether you're helping in a studio or watching at home, remember, everyone can help save water.
It's your future too, and it starts with smart choices today.
Thanks for watching and stay water smart, Florida.